Hello children, in our last class we learned how Mother Teresa spent her childhood in great hard working, isn't it? And then she joined Loreto nuns to become nun. Now, after spending a few months in Ireland and just sent to Darjeeling, so before coming to Bengal, she went to Ireland and then she come to Darjeeling. In March 1934, she took her final vows and became Sister Teresa. So finally, in 1934, she became Sister Teresa. Now, Sister Teresa was sent to teach in Loreto Convent in Italy, Calcutta. So this was the school. This is the school near Italy where Sister Teresa used to teach. This convent is an orphanage and also has day scholars for middle class families. For some years, she taught geography and was then made the principal. So ये जो स्कूल था वहाँ पे orphanage स्टूडेंट थे, मीन्स जिसके पेरेंट्स नहीं थे, ओके ऐसा स्टूडेंट जिसके पेरेंट्स नहीं थे, आइदर वो डेथ कर गए और छोड़ दिए, whatever is the reason. So this school is basically belongs to the orphanage student, okay, or middle class families. She studied geography. She used to taught geography and then she became principal also of that convent, Loreto Convent School. In September 1946, on a train journey to Darjeeling, she heard the call again. This time God wanted her to lead a life of poverty and take care of the poorest of the poor. So, जब वो दार्जिलिंग में जा रहे थे तो उन्हें फिर से कॉल ऐसा लगा कि गॉड उन्हें कह रहे हैं कि जो पुअर है उन्हें हेल्प करें, उनका हेल्प करें. It took her almost 1 year to get permission to leave Loreto Convent. So, Loreto Convent को छोड़ने के लिए almost 1 year लग गया था. Finally, on 17th August 1947, she wore a white sari with blue border and started her working in the Moti Jail slum. So finally, she left the school and she used to wear white sari with blue border, okay, and she used to work in Moti Jail slum, Moti Jail road, okay, means on the road. She used to work there. On 7th October 1952, her sisters were formally recognized by the church. So on 7th October 1952, her sisters were formally recognized by the church as the missionaries of charity. So finally, this sister got their place and they used to live in the missionaries of charity. Mother Teresa's first school was on a small open patch among the Shantis. So her first school was among the small patches, small area. She scratched Bengali letters on the ground with a stick. Her first dispensary also had a humble beginning. She got medicine for the poor by begging for them. One of the things Mother Teresa did after she left Loreto Convent was to pick up the dying, unwanted people from the road so that they could be die with dignity. So, Mother Teresa's first school बहुत ही small area से वो start की. She scratched Bengali letters on the ground with a stick. Her first dispensary means वो एक अपना dispensary भी खोली जहाँ पे वो medicines provide करते थे by begging. So she used to beg and then get medicine for the poor people. One of the things Mother Teresa did was that she used to pick the dying and unwanted people from the road and she used to cure them. मीन्स मदर टेरेसा क्या करती थी कि जो भी पीपल बहुत ही इंजर्ड है, बहुत ही घायल है, जिसका कोई भी नहीं है, उन्हें बुलाकर ठीक करती थी ताकि वो इजीली रह सकता हो, ताकि वो अगर इफ़ इन केस डेथ भी हो जाता हो तो वो अच्छे से डाई कर सकता है, ओके, विथ डिग्निटी, विथ रिस्पेक्ट. सो लेट्स स्टॉप टिल हियर. Next day I will do the next part. Thank you.